Hello, good. Hello, dear students. I hope you are good. So this is another exam question. So it says here is a regular hexagon and is a regular pentagon. So we have hexagon and pentagon and work out the size of the angle mark x. So we need to find out this angle x. So if we know this angle and if we know this angle, so we can figure out the angle x. We know that the interior angle in pentagon is 3 times 180 is equals to 540. So if we divide by 5, because this is a regular sides, so that will gives you 108. So this angle is 108. Now you're gonna figure it out for the other one. So 4 times 180 is equals to 720 and divided by 6, so that will gives us 120. So this angle is 120. Now we're going to add these two angles, 120 and 108, that gives us 228. So we know the angles around a point add up to 360. So we're going to do 360, take away 228. So we left with 132. So it means the x value is 132. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.